Hi guys, welcome back to the class. So in this class now we are coordinate to be 2, 5, which is x1, y1, and b minus 1, 1. We have x2, y2. So we know that from our formula that distance between 2 points, which is AB, equals to square root x2 minus x1 squared plus y2 minus y1. So now let's substitute for AB. Substitute for the values of x1, x1, x2, y2, y1. So you have AB, distance AB, equals to square root of x2. x2 is minus 1 minus x1. We are having 2 to the power of 2 plus y2. We are having 1 minus 5, which is y1 respect to 2. So we have AB equals to the square root of, this equals to minus 3 raised by 2 plus minus 4 raised by 2. We have AB equals to minus 3 raised by 2 is 9 plus minus 4 raised by 2, we have 16. So we have AB equals to square root of 25, which is distance AB equals to what? 5. Thanks for watching this video. In the next class, we'll be moving to another part. See you in the next class.